Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove your BMW X1 radio. First, prioritize safety by ensuring the car's power is completely disconnected. Remove the key from the ignition. Next, gather your necessary tools, including plastic pry tools to prevent dashboard damage and a set of Torx or Phillips head screwdrivers. Prepare your workspace by laying down soft cloths to protect delicate interior surfaces from any accidental scratches during the removal process. Now let's begin by carefully removing the surrounding trim. Start with the air vent cover, using a plastic pry tool to release its clips without causing damage. Once the vents are out, you may find one or two screws securing the storage compartment, which you should then remove. Proceed to gently detach the lower dashboard panel, remembering to disconnect any electrical connectors, such as those for hazard lights or door locks, before setting the panel aside. With the surrounding trim removed, you can now access the radio unit itself. The climate control console usually needs to be carefully disassembled or pulled forward to expose additional screws. You will typically find 2 to 4 screws directly securing the radio module. Remove these. Gently pull the radio unit forward from its housing, then carefully disconnect all the electrical wiring harnesses and the antenna cable from the back of the unit. Take your time to ensure all connections are safely detached. To reinstall your radio, simply reverse the steps. First, connect all the necessary wiring harnesses and the antenna cable to the back of your radio unit. Carefully slide the unit back into its designated slot and secure it with the 2 to 4 screws you removed earlier. Then, reattach all the dashboard trim panels and components, ensuring all clips engage properly and any electrical connectors are reconnected. Finally, test the radio and all associated functions before fully snapping everything back into place.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.